Looking to start your crypto journey? In this video, I'll show you how to easily open a Gate.io account in just a few minutes. First, go to the official website www.gate.io on your browser or download the Gate.io app from the App Store or Google Play. Click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms. Then click Next. Check your email for a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your registration. Now set up a fun password. This is different from your login password and will be used for withdrawals or trading. For better security, enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator or SMS. To access all features, complete KYC verification. Upload a government-issued ID and a selfie, and wait for approval. Once verified, deposit crypto or fiat to start trading. You can use your wallet or buy directly on Gate.io. Always use strong passwords, enable security features, and never share your private keys. Now you're all set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our crypto tutorials. Happy trading!